Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word condoned. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The teacher did not condone cheating and gave the student a failing grade for plagiarizing their essay. Condoned means to overlook, allow, or excuse inappropriate behavior and give it tacit approval, usually implying that it is accepted or tolerated. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.